Plastic Duralast creeper, pretty cheap, affordable for those that need a creeper. Got these little pockets here for holding your tools while you're laying down. I guess that's kind of nifty, but whatever you do, don't try to roll on this thing on shitty asphalt, because the wheels pull out of the little plastic thermo molded whatever. So we got to fix this so where it doesn't happen again. Of course, my fat ass probably had a contributing factor to it, but you know, we're not gonna go down that route. My guess is it's probably a 10 millimeter. Anything these days that's made foreign is usually metric, it seems. They run on the metric system and we don't. So yep. Caster seems to be pretty nice. I mean, this, I've only laid on this thing like twice, so it's still new. Oh shit, I lost one of the washers. Now it's going to rattle every single time you pick it up. Awesome. Here's a look at the back side. I wonder why that happened. Must have hit a rock or something with the wheel and it just caved in. Be 2 3/16. Yeah, 2 3/16 bolt center. Shit. 2 3/16. shaky camera. Put it on the table and see if it shakes. Ain't long enough. One and a half. Oh shit. Can't use the same hardware since we're going American with it. Nothing but the best here. We're gonna go with the Nylox, because you know, why not? I just hope the wheel still turns around with these in the way. I don't think it's gonna turn. Scheiße. So let's turn the bolt around. Maybe that'll help. Not really into laying on a nut. Oh yeah, that works good. That's all right. That seems a lot more sturdier. I guess we'll just have to run it and see. If I end up bending these other ones, I'll have to go get some more material if this does work. Not really all that pleased with this stuff sticking out here. I wonder if there's a better way. Maybe maybe one of those what do they call those things? Those collapsing collapsing nuts. You know, you drill your hole, you put them in there, and then you put a press tool or something on them and squeeze them, and they expand. Knurled. Inside diameter knurled, outside diameter knurled nut things. Nut certs. That's what they're called, nut certs. So maybe I could put a nut cert in this piece of plate steel. Or no, I'm sorry. I'd have to put the nut cert on this one. I have to put the nut cert on this one, and then thread the tool up into it, thread the bolt up into it, and then just trim it off. Do they make nylock nut certs? Huh. I don't know, I'm gonna have to look that up.